to 360-degree machinery. We're going to take a quick look at a Harwi Dolphin 1500 vertical panel saw. This machine does have a 5-foot by 10-foot capacity. We can ship it with the gantry on, and that's probably one of the coolest things about this machine. So it is very fast to set up. You can simply fork under the top rail, which is very unusual. These days, these machines, you usually have to pull the gantry off, build some kind of structure underneath it to support it, and it can ship like this, mainly because if we walk around back and we take a look, there's structure in the rear of this machine. Sometimes we can't even operate these machines in our staging area because they need to be bolted to the floor. And yes, you should bolt this to the floor, but it will stand on its own, and it is right now. If we come around front, there's a couple really cool features on this machine. You do have a 3 kilowatt motor. That's going to equate to 4 horsepower. And more importantly, if we open it up, what's really unusual is what is behind your blade guard. This machine will not function with this door open. You can hear the switch click about right there. You do have a riving knife that is adjustable, and you also do have a scoring blade. That scoring blade is a slave to your main blade, and it is adjustable right here, but you do have a scoring blade. That's kind of unusual. And usually optional on your bigger saws and can get rather expensive, but on these saws, it is built in. Again, I do have to screw this back in for the saw to operate. The lock for this is right here. So that is going to allow you to move this up and down. And you have this nice handle here, so it's very easy to operate. This machine is nice and smooth. To transform it from vertical to horizontal, you're going to go ahead and lock that in place, and you're simply going to pull this handle here. So when you pull this handle, it is going to pop out this pin right here, and you simply rotate it around, and you're going to see right here, you just push it right back into the pin set. Again, really easy. You have dual pin sets. To unlock the gantry, you're simply going to come in here and hit your foot pedal here. And you can now move that back and forth. And again, if you look, this just glides just effortlessly. To re-lock it in place, if you take a look, those foot pedals are tied to right here. You do have 4 locking positions, 2 on either side up here. And you're simply going to come in and hit your other foot pedal, line it up. And as you can see, you come over, and if you look, you're going to see, as I hit the foot pedal, it's just going to lock your gantry in place. Really easy to turn on. You have one choice. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. I'm gonna unlock that gantry yet again, slide it over, and again, just really, really easy to relock. You simply come in, match up your keyway up top, hit your foot pedal, and it's going to lock that gantry in place. You do have 2 small part shelves. They simply fold out, made out of wood, easily replaceable. These are the original ones. And you do have a material stop. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.